Alright guys, sorry about the shitty lighting. So we got the truck back. I'm gonna finish making the last part of the headlight build video, but I figured how could I not show you guys right away now that it's back. It's in pieces right now ish. I'm doing the cab lights, so I'll record some of that, but check it out. There she is. So this bumper he shimmed like a retard. I didn't want it shimmed, but I had to get it home with the wheels on it, so I gotta trim that and then put it back to the way it was. But this is the new headlights on the truck. We're waiting on a emblem that I ordered. The other one I didn't like, so it's not on. The trim panel's right here for up there, but looks good. All the dents are out of it. This was like a huge dent right here. He did a pretty good job. Looks good. He also did the back bumper white, paint matched. So it's looking good. That's the new cab lights. Smoked lens and then white LEDs. So them should look pretty cool. Just the stocky ones are on it right now. The amber ones. I hate them. So doing the white, it'll match everything else. We got the switchback LEDs inside the mirrors now, the switchback LEDs inside the headlights, and we'll have white cab lights to match it. So I'll jump up in here, kind of show you guys. So you guys have seen this a million times, I'm sure, but you got to take these out. I just leave them hanging. It's only coming down for a minute. Inside here, there's two. I believe these are 9mm. There's 3 hex bolts in here that look like this. And then there's a hex behind here. This gets pulled down. You gotta pull this centerpiece out on mine. And then you expose 2 screws up in here that are hex. You take them out and then you can pop it out. I didn't pop this side out yet, but it's almost all the way down. And then same thing on the other side, so there's 3 bolts there, 1 up in here, 2 in there, and then you can start dropping everything. I'm not gonna make like a how-to on this one, I'm just kinda gonna show you guys what's going on. I really don't have time to make a how-to on this one, just because I'm backed up on like 10 videos that I gotta record still from Sealer. So yeah, but the truck's back, it looks good. I really gotta wash it, it's filthy, but yeah, so we're gonna get the cab lights in now. I just got out of work, and then tomorrow we're gonna do the rock lights. And yeah, we'll keep plugging away. So check back in, I'll show you guys what it looks like when I get everything all taken down. Alright guys, just a little heads up for anybody doing this. Here's the new ones. And they're the right part number and everything, but they come with these. And the stock ones use these. Hopefully you guys can kind of see that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna end up cutting this, and I'm gonna end up using this end on here instead of these. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and we'll keep moving. Alright guys, I brought my little setup back here. I got my soldering iron out here. I'm just gonna switch these ends out for the new one, so I'm just gonna snip these off. That one's done. That one's done, and that one's done. So now we're all done with the old cab lights. I actually got a guy that's coming to buy them right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull these out of this box. Take my order number out of there. And we're just gonna put all this stuff right in the Recon box. He knows that they're, he doesn't think they're Recons. I just be nice and easy to just sell it right in this box. So these are good to go. Put this aside. We don't need those anymore. So now I'm just gonna take these ends and I'm just gonna strip them back a little bit to give myself some room to solder them. Man, that one's good. Alright, so here's these black and red. I'll probably toss these in for this guy just in case he can use them. I mean, I can't, so. Got that. Yeah, I don't know why Recon did these like that, but oh well. Yeah, these are good to go. Let me just go, you guys can come with me. Oh shit. I just want to go shut the trunk of the car quick. Those are the side steps that didn't work for me. Shit sucks. I still got so much to do to this truck. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys back up, get these soldered. I know it's not gonna be pretty, guys. I just figured I'd show it. Nothing special. This is what I'm gonna use. Hope you guys can see that. Just some sealant I'm gonna put around these just to make sure they don't leak. And they're the same style as the Chevy ones, so. Alright, yeah, this is good. I gotta go get a little dab of water on this quick. Yeah, I'm just really rushing, guys. I just want to get this done. I knew that they needed to be soldered. I watched another video that had it, so I knew, you know, kind of coming in. But all right, so. I would be pretty mad if there was a way to like open this and it wasn't the actual thing. I might as well not even try, huh? I don't know if I want to crimp these or not. I'll probably just go ahead and solder them, huh? I'm sitting here editing this video and I just realized the camera died right as I was soldering these, so I didn't record any of it, but I mean, all I did is just solder all the ends together and then went and threw it all back together. I mean, it's nothing special, but just figured I'd throw that in there because it kind of just stops out of nowhere. Alright guys, it's super late. It's like 10 o'clock. I worked today, but I just finished up the truck. I'm gonna walk up this way and then I'll show you guys. Shit turned out fire. I gotta do the side steps tomorrow. A little peek. Ooh. Alright, check it. Oh my god, it looks so good. I think I can white balance it out a little. Look at how good that looks. Alright guys, I got some cleaning up to do. Just figured I'd show you guys though what it's looking like. Oh, I gotta wire up the demon eyes and the halos too. And the fog lights, shit. Still got a lot of stuff to do, but it's getting there. It's definitely looking good though. It's so bright now. Alright guys, hopefully you can see me. It's a different day now. I just finished up putting all the interior back together. Yeah, like I said, I'm not going to do like a how-to on this one, but I am going to show you because I've been messing around with this for like the last hour now. So I did the pillars first on both sides. I took them both off. And then next I did these. I took these off on both sides. And then I did these on both sides. And there's a little screw in here I did on both sides. And then this pops down and there's 2 screws. You gotta first start off with pulling this inner piece out here. So pull that down and then you expose 2 screws up in there. It's all star bits or whatever they're called. And then 10 mil. I don't know if you guys can see that. Little 10 millimeter. Yeah, well, I did it all with a 5/16, a 10 millimeter, and then this little star bit. Torx key, whatever the fuck they're called. Yeah, just those 3 tools, you can do it all. Sorry about that guys. So when you're putting it back in, I had some trouble, so while it's hanging down, what you're gonna wanna do is first start off with putting these on both sides. So put this on and it goes around the outside of the headliner. So push these on and use these to help hold this up. And then what I did is I stuck these back on to help hold it up, and then after that, it doesn't really matter what order you go in. Right now, I'll show you them in a second here. And then I also just got a package in, an EGT probe. So there's the side steps that I've been putting on. They're super nice Tiger ones. Them other ones that I think you guys might have seen. If you didn't, I'll show you them. I'll put a little picture in. They were off of 2019. They wouldn't fit. So I had to go ahead and buy some different ones here. I'm still not done putting them on, so I got parts all over, but I just wanted to show you guys, you know, the side steps. I'll make a little video of that. And then, like I said, my EGT probe that I just bought for this. Here it is. So what you do is you gotta tap it into the manifold, and then this little thing here just plugs into this. You guys can see that. If I can get it in. There we go, see it? I don't want to plug it in because it brings up this whole setup guide on there, but so yeah, I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow, the EGT probe tomorrow. I'm gonna finish putting the side steps on now. Yeah, so just stay tuned. That's what the cab lights look like. You guys will obviously see those. I'll make a little edit of them in this. It's not a hard job. It just kind of takes like an hour or two to do it. But it's really not bad. I don't think I'm gonna make a video of it. Sorry about the lighting. I don't think I'm gonna make a video of it just because I don't really want it on YouTube. But I got my PPE downpipe, my Whirly Fab up pipes. I just ordered 2 days ago. It's not even here yet. I found a used. It looks brand new, but it's a used 5-inch Flow Pro straight pipe. I got it for $400 on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. So he just shipped that out. It'll be here soon. And then I got my Sinister Delete, the PCV reroute. I have one single tune that I got from, where did I get it? I think I got it from SDT, I think, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab the 5 tunes from All In Truck Performance. They also do trans tuning, and then it comes with a little like an EPC oil fooler, which what you do is you put it in and it tricks the system and it keeps the oil pressure higher. It's a lot better for the truck. Because right now every time the truck shifts, the oil pressure drops off, so it keeps the oil pressure like steady and high like it should, like in the older trucks. So all that'll be coming up. Like I said, I'm not gonna record any of that. 2 things I'm waiting on is I haven't even bought it yet. I need a lift pump and I need to put in, and then obviously the 5 tunes. Alrighty, I'm gonna try to beat the rain. It looks like it's gonna rain out. And I want to get this other side step on before it does, so yeah. Check back in for the EGT install.
Yeah, I don't think they know that's my word. I don't think they know that's my word. Yeah, that's my, hold up.